people, this is my fifth review of the day, and the movie I'm reviewing right now is called Okay Jaanu. Okay Jaanu was a very cute film because it had Shraddha Kapoor and Aditya Roy Kapoor, both are Kapoors, as the lead pair, and it had A.R. Rahman's music and Mani Ratnam's. It's adapted from a Tamil film, so good, yeah. But somewhere, like they always say, right, the original, I mean, the way I see it is, I think this film was literally, scene to scene, it was adapted into the Hindi version. So it was interesting. I would give it a 3-star rating. And this is a film you should watch for Shraddha Kapoor, I would say, because she's like really stands out in the film. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.